Did you know that while we speak about 125 words per minute, our brains can process up to 400 words? This fascinating gap is where the strategic use of pauses in communication reveals its true power. Far from being mere silence, a well-placed pause in a conversation or speech can profoundly influence and impact comprehension as well as control a conversation. Why focus on pausing, you might ask? Well, strategic pauses are crucial in enhancing message clarity, boosting audience engagement, and even managing our emotional responses during communication. From creating suspense to giving your audience time to digest important information, the art of the pause is invaluable in both everyday conversations and formal speeches. Hi, I'm Alan Stafford, and in this short video, I'll guide you through mastering 3 key pauses: the anticipatory pause, the reflective pause, and the composure pause. When used effectively, each can dramatically enhance your communication, bringing clarity and depth to your message. And by strategically using the pause, you can control your conversation's pace, direction, and focus. So let's begin. Let's delve into the anticipatory pause. In this pause, picture a speaker starting with a gripping statement and then pausing. This moment of silence creates an air of anticipation, drawing the audience in and setting the stage for what's to come. We often use this pause to build suspense, make our key messages more memorable, and prepare the audience for important revelations. The anticipatory pause is also a great way to regain the audience's attention. It's all about timing and creating impact in this pause. Our next pause is the reflective pause. This is your tool for fostering deeper engagement and reflection. After making a significant point or asking a thought-provoking question, a reflective pause allows the audience to ponder and internalize the information. It's a sign of respect for your audience's intellect and a way to make your communication more interactive and impactful. Finally, we have the composure pause. This is your ally in regaining control and composure, especially when faced with challenging questions or emotional triggers by the audience. By pausing briefly, you collect your thoughts, maintain a connection with your audience, and ensure your response is deliberate and thoughtful. It's about maintaining poise and clearly delivering your message even under pressure. While a pause is fundamentally a break in speech, its impact varies based on how and why it's used. The anticipatory, reflective, and composure pause each serve distinct purposes, enhancing the effectiveness of your communication and deepening your audience's connection with your message. I hope that you found this video insightful and that you learned something about incorporating pauses into your communication. If you found this valuable, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into effective communication. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll continue to explore the nuances of impactful communication. Until next time, remember, it's not just what you say, but how you pause that can make all the difference. Keep communicating and see you soon.